Okay, dear students, today we are going to discuss about the coordinate type potentiometer. In the earlier, we have discussed about the polar type potentiometer, and the coordinate type potentiometer is the Gale-Tinsley AC potentiometer. So we are discussing about it. Basically, in the coordinate type potentiometer, as we discussed, we measure the separately the in-phase potentiometer and the quadrature potentiometer. So voltage is measured in the two form. One is the in-phase voltage with the current. That voltage is in phase with current, and the second is the quadrature part. That is the V2. That is the 90 degree at the current I. Now the resultant V will be calculated by V is equal to under root V1 square plus V2 square, by which we can calculate the V, and the phase angle theta will be calculated by tan theta is equal to V2 upon V1, and theta will be tan inverse V2 upon V1. In this manner, we can calculate the voltage and the theta. Now, what is the arrangement we are using in such type of potentiometer we are discussing here? So, we are basically to separate this potentiometer contain the two separate potentiometer circuits. One is called the in-phase potentiometer and the other is the quadrature potentiometer. On the first of these potentiometers, that component of the unknown voltage which is in phase with the current in slide wire circuit of the potentiometer is measured. On other potentiometer, the unknown voltage that is quadrature with the current in its slide wire circuit is measured. As shown in figure, ये यहाँ पर डायग्राम में दिखाया हुआ है कि इन फेज पोटेंशियोमीटर एंड दैट इज द क्वाड्रेचर पोटेंशियोमीटर, and the supply is also given. Supply phase 1 and supply phase 2. These are the slide wire BB dash and CC dash. S1 S2 are the switch reversal switches are using here. S3 is the switch to connecting the unknown voltage with the circuit. VG is the vibration galvanometer, and it is the mutual inductance between the two coils. Here quadrature potentiometer coil work as a primary winding and it is the secondary winding. Unknown voltage is here applied here between the A dash. So we can see that since the two slide wire current are in quadrature, the two measured values are the quadrature component of the unknown voltage. If these measured values are V1 and V2, then the unknown voltage can be calculated by V is equal to under root V1 square plus Vt square, and tan theta is equal to V2 upon V1. We have seen the construction. The circuit is divided as we have discussed in the two part, the in-phase transformer and quadrature potentiometer, with their sliding contact BB dash and CC dash. The in-phase potentiometer has a sliding contact BB dash and quadrature potentiometer has the sliding contact CC dash. that has been shown here. Now the rheostat R and R dash for current adjustment are used here. Here are using the two rheostat. One is the R, another is the R dash. These are the for current adjustment. Now this supply is provided with the help of the such type of arrangement. It is a single phase supply and 90-degree phase shift is created by this RC circuit through this transformer T1 and T2, which are the step down transformers and generate about 6 volt output voltage. As shown in the figure, this supply voltage shown in figure 1 is given to this circuit here, and the supply voltage generated by transformer T2 is given to the this circuit here. Now the supply to the potentiometer are obtained from a single phase supply by means of the arrangement shown in the figure. यहाँ पर हम एक सिंगल फेज सप्लाई के थ्रू ये सप्लाई हम यहाँ पर लेते हैं. T1 T2 दो स्टेप डाउन ट्रांसफॉर्मर्स हैं जो कि 6 वोल्ट सप्लाई पोटेंशियोमीटर सर्किट में देते हैं. They also serve to isolate the potentiometer from the line and usually provided with earth screen so that stray effect can be neglected. The R and variable capacitor C is for purpose of phase splitting. Quadrature phase displacement is obtained by adjusting C and R. As shown in the figure 1, VG is a vibration galvanometer tuned to supply frequency. जैसा कि इस फिगर में दिखाया गया है कि Vg हमारा वाइब्रेशन गैल्वेनोमीटर है जो कि हमारा सप्लाई फ्रीक्वेंसी जो है दैट इज द 50 हर्ट्ज पर ट्यून रहता है. एंड की इज द के. A is the reflecting dynamometer type ammeter for maintaining the current in the two slide wire. About 50 milliampere current is maintained in both these slide wire through this dynamometer type ammeter as shown in the figure. S1 S2 are the two sign changing switches which may be necessary to reverse the direction of the unknown EMF applied to the slide wire. So here S1 and S2 are both these are the switches applied to the unknown voltage. तो इस तरह से that is the construction of the circuit. S3 is a selector switch by which the unknown voltage to be measured are placed in the circuit. S3 के थ्रू हम जो अननोन वोल्टेज हम जो सर्किट में मेजर कर रहे हैं दैट उसको सर्किट में पुट करते हैं S3 के थ्रू. एंड the selector switch when in the position shown in the figure called the test position. The current in the quadrature potentiometer slide wire to be compared with that in the in phase potentiometer wire utilizing the mutual inductance M for the purpose. तो करंट जो हमारा क्वाड्रेचर पोटेंशियोमीटर स्लाइड वायर में है वो कंपेयर किया जाता है इन फेज पोटेंशियोमीटर वायर के करंट से जब हमारा ये टेस्ट पोजीशन में होता है. नाउ व्हाट इज द ऑपरेशन हम देखेंगे. सबसे पहले द करंट जो है इन फेज पोटेंशियोमीटर वायर में एडजस्ट किया जाता है स्टैंडर्ड वैल्यू एंड ऑल्सो द क्वाड्रेचर पोटेंशियोमीटर में जो कि हम 50 मिली एम्पियर करंट एडजस्ट किया जाता है. These two must also be exactly in quadrature. ये दोनों करंट हैं इनमें क्वाड्रेचर में होने चाहिए आपस में इनमें 90 डिग्री का फेज शिफ्ट होना चाहिए. The selector switch S3 is then switched on to the test position. अब हम सेलेक्टर स्विच S3 को टेस्ट पोजीशन पर ले आते हैं. जो हमारा सेलेक्टर स्विच है उसको हम टेस्ट पोजीशन पर कनेक्ट कर देते हैं S3 को. The EMF induced in the secondary winding of the mutual inductor M will lag 90 degree in the phase behind the current in the primary winding. जो EMF इंड्यूस्ड होता है सेकेंडरी वाइंडिंग में वो 90 डिग्री फेज शिफ्ट पर रहता है. मींस द क्वाड्रेचर पोटेंशियोमीटर स्लाइड वायर. इफ I is the primary current, then the EMF induced in the secondary will be 2 pi frequency MI, where pi is equal to 3.14. M is the value of the mutual inductance. If F is equal to 50 Hz, M is equal to 0.063 Henry, secondary induced EMF will be calculated. That is about 1 volt when I has the standard value of 50 milliampere. So secondary voltage is 1 volt. Slide wire of the in-phase potentiometer set to this calculated value of induced EMF in the secondary of M and rheostat R and capacitor C are adjusted until exact balance is obtained. well, अगर हमने इसमें 1 वोल्ट सेट किया है हम यहाँ पर भी 1 वोल्ट सेट कर लेते हैं. with the movement of the slide wire और जो हमारे R और C की हेल्प से we maintain such type of voltage in both the circuit. For balance the current in the quadrature potentiometer slide wire must be both equal to the standard value, also must be exactly 90 degree out of phase with the current in the in phase slide wire. Any difference in the polarity between the two circuit is corrected by S1 and S2 switch. Now these adjustment having been made, the unknown voltage is switched in circuit by means of the selector switch S3. In this position of S3, the two slide wire circuit are in series with one another and with the vibration galvanometer. अब हम अननोन जो हमारा वोल्टेज है उसको हम सर्किट में अप्लाई कर देते हैं S3 स्विच के थ्रू और वाइब्रेशन गैल्वेनोमीटर में बैलेंस की पोजीशन लाने की कोशिश करते हैं. Balance is obtained by adjusting both pair of sliding contact BB dash and CC dash together with the reversal of the switches S1 and S2. If it is necessary, it is not compulsory. At balance, the reading of the in-phase potentiometer and reading of the quadrature potentiometer is noted, that is the V1 and V2. If these measured values are V1 and V2 respectively, then the unknown voltage is V is equal to under root V1 square plus V2 square, and its phase difference from the current in the in-phase slide wire potentiometer circuit is given by the angle theta, where tan theta is equal to V2 upon V1. Thank you very much.